Asunto-osakeyhtiö Sammonlinna.
It was completely impossible to get inside here. Today on 25th of July 2024. Here's Sammonkatu 14 staircase A. Yes, A. And it's only staircase B left to be from here.
Yeah.
This is C and D are also found before. And now it approach here. December stage 6596 built in 1956 with their board fixtures and gated. There's also here this Kaleva.
Yeah.
In Tampere, horse we have big around Finland. Still one of the best data pointers.
Yeah.
I guess these three first that are photographs. Unfortunately, the second B was out of order, so we have to film it hopefully in 2025.
Yeah.
It's not if it's not replaced, hopefully not, or badly modernized. But there are no plans, so
Yeah.
the sun's in the smith here.
Respektive bare vaikuttaa, että meitä nyt pois silloin.
But indeed, certainly Epiline Kone would have been even more amazing.
Yeah.
But this is still amazing too.
Yeah.
Third round. Intercepts it. Also around the doors here, they're beautiful.
Yeah.
And yeah, let's go back to the basement floor.
That's